안녕하세요 여러분. If you're somebody who has just started learning Korean language and are really confused about the sentence structures, I'm here to help you. I will tell you the exact sentence pattern that is followed in Korean language. And the best part is that if you're an Indian, if you speak Indian languages, then this part is going to be really easy for you because Korean is very similar to many Indian languages. So before we start, don't forget to hit on like and subscribe to this channel. Let's start. So the first kind of sentence that you can have, which is the simplest one, is I am a noun. Noun can be anything. For example, I am a teacher, I am a student, or maybe he is a student. They are students, they are professors. Basically, some noun or pronoun is, am, are, another noun. So in English, if we take a particular sentence, which is I am a doctor, I comes first, am, a comes second, and then you go with the doctor word. But when you're speaking in Hindi, for example, because I know Hindi, you go something like this: मैं doctor हूँ, and that is the pattern that you follow in Korean, which is I doctor am. 저는 의사예요. 저는 의사예요. 저는 I 의사 doctor, and 예요 is the grammar pattern, which is am, is, or are. The next type of sentence can be a verb sentence. So for example, I want to say, I eat kimbap. He eats kimbap, or anyone eats kimbap. Basically, there is a verb in these sentences. But the Korean pattern does not follow the English pattern. Let's see the English pattern first. I, subject, eat, verb, and kimbap is the object. So English follows the subject, verb, and object pattern. But Korean actually follows the subject, object, and verb pattern. It actually means that the verb will always be in the end of a Korean sentence. So we are going to say 저는 김밥을 먹어요. 먹어요 is the verb and is coming in the end. It happens with all Korean sentences that have a verb in them. So let's see some examples. I drink juice. 저는 주스를 마셔요. I study Korean. 저는 한국어를 공부해요. Say if your sentence had a location in it. For example, in English, I go to the school. I go. Go comes directly after I, and then you put the location, to the school. Only when you're speaking in English. But when you are speaking in Korean, the sentence structure goes like this. I to school go. मैं स्कूल जाती हूँ. So it would be 저는 학교에 가요. Yeah, that's how it is. So again, the 가요, which is the verb, is coming at the end of the sentence, and the location is coming before it. Because if there is a verb in a Korean sentence, it will be at the end of the sentence. So I hope you understood the structure of the Korean sentences. If you like this video, don't forget to hit on like and subscribe to this channel because it motivates me to make better videos. See you next time. Bye.